my island in the sun. Oh, my island home, my island home. Let me tell you about where I'm from, my island in the sun. Oh.
In this exciting episode, we're endeavoring to explore the epic world of Episcopalian church furniture, focusing on the engravings of the armrests.
Or no, we will not. Instead, after the last episode where the knife incident occurred, we thought we would swing the pendulum the other way and give you what our subscriber, James K.,
And many others.
would call chill.
But even more than that, we'll also show you how the people of Bequia get down during the Lights Up Festival.
Quite the descriptor, Daddy-O. I'm sure the groovy kids are hip to your jive.
Oh yeah, they're gonna be jiggy with it.
Oh boy.
Na, 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 na.
So without further delay, here is your moment of zen.
Na, 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 na.
Tonight, the sky above reminds me of your love.
Bequia is the second largest island in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, measuring 5 miles
8 kilometers.
in length and 2.5 miles
4 kilometers.
in width, with approximately 5,000 residents.
The angel on the stairs.
This vessel is the Golden Liu,
Golden Lion,
measuring 161 feet
53 meters,
by 26 feet,
9 meters.
and has a hull speed of about 5.9 knots.
Originally, it served as a marine biology research ship, but now is an alternative school with 44 students, 6 teachers, and 10 crew, sailing for 7 months from Europe to the Caribbean and back.
You saw last time that we bought a 20 amp male plug in Kingston, St. Vincent. Now we can cut apart an old shore cable so we can hook up our generator to the shoreline input on Monashi to run the air conditioning or even charge the batteries.
And it works!
You're surprised?
You're cute, and slowly becoming a handyman.
Thanks, I think.
Our next task was to head to shore and dispose of our garbage.
And just like my third girlfriend did to me, it's being dumped.
Oh my.
Boat life is not always sitting, drinking, having wonderful food in exotic locations. Sometimes it's work. So we're going to give you a little glimpse into what the next couple minutes as to the work is, other than garbage, returning bottles, getting diesel, getting unleaded gas, all the things we gotta do. Yay!
Oh, the joys of carrying jerry cans from a gas station to the boat.
I wonder how you are at carrying steins of beer, Hausfrau.
Tread carefully. I have a surprise where we are going next.
We've been waiting for this for about 5 months to come get a whole bunch of Hyroon and pop at extraordinary prices. 88 cents for the pop, 66 cents for a beer. So I've got all the beer and the gas, and Mojo's not here. Oh, you have the key, so apparently I'm not going anywhere fast. Trade you the key for a beer.
Some friends we made last season
Barry and Monica.
were coming over for dirty gin martinis, so a bit of hummus and nan charcuterie was in order.
Monica and Barry.
Yes.
And they were wondering if we had a little extra spice. I said, we might have some cumin to spare, which is probably about a pound. So they only wanted a little bit. So Merry Christmas to you. Here's your candy of cumin.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, but let's go on.
Wait, there's more.
Ready? There is half my tandoori supply.
Oh, wow.
But let us not stop there. You don't just give. You give the shirt off your back. You
said
give
that?
until it hurts.
Oh, you said
You
that.
give until it hurts. Here is the king of all spices. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's saffron.
Saffron.
Oh,
Are you kidding? This is
GFOH.
frankincense.
Frankincense. Wait a second. Myrrh is going to touch the frankincense. My goodness, thank you. We can have paella now.
Yay! Cheers to you guys. Thanks for coming aboard again.
Thank
you. Yay! So we're on the beautiful island of Bequia in the southern Caribbean, just north of Grenada.
And all sorts of things that are all set to be lit up, and so the entertainment starts around 8, which is probably about 15 minutes from now or so, and then the light up is sometime after that.
When after that?
No specific time has been given.
Nobody
so
knows.
At some point after.
Cheers!
I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let there be light. Light up the country.
But they did get them to work a few minutes later, and they were beautiful. And after a very long night of rum, chicken, and dancing with strangers, it was back to Monashee for a late sleep and a lazy next day.
Nothing says chill like a long dive underwater to commune with the fish. But what I did not expect was what I found under a certain rock. But first I get lulled into my moment of zen.
Make me take a draw. I reggae music, I go on the area. Load it up, tune it up, don't make the speaker buzz up. I know the crowd gather round, I know the vibes it turn up. Cause reggae music make the people them unite. Reggae music make the people them all alive. No shot, no bust, no man, no broke, no fight. Just a free one, can't keep me go out with tonight. All night, all night. Take up another sweet reggae vibe. So night, all night. Everything is alright. So I'm not telling a lie. Reggae give the sweetest vibes. Reggae give the sweetest vibes. Tell me not tell no lie. Reggae give the sweetest vibes. Sweetest, sweetest vibes. Big tune a select. I bet you say me tell you say she a go take set. I bet you say me tell you say you not go regret. I bet you say me tell you say you just not see it yet. Well I reggae and the teacher and I'm just a prefect.
When the stars make you drool, just like a pasta fazool, that's amore.
If we make you smile, swat the like button below as it suggests our stream to someone such as Mark P, who ended up smitten and subscribing too. Not every day on a boat is an epic adventure, and some days just seem to slide on by. We're lucky enough to not only party with the Islanders, but sometimes just slow down and enjoy the view. We hope you enjoyed our moment of zen and made it yours too.
Thanks for sharing our journey and subscribing. And check out this next video, as we believe George Harrison would like it too.
I guess you felt the pull of them big city lights. I hope you think of me on those cold prairie nights.